Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nabil. Been doing cold emails for over 6 years. Worked with many different clients, many different offers, many different industries. Guys that are just starting out, guys doing six figures, seven figures, even eight figures. So what I've got for you today is I have built out just a Google web scraper, which will basically bring you a ton of Google leads. If you want to see what it looks like, let's see, I just deleted this. Yeah. So this is what it looks like when it's officially done. It'll give you the name, the Google link that they have on their Google profile or whatever, and you can click them and check it out, right? And it'll give you a little snippet too of like what they're about and everything like that. So it's pretty simple to use. On this left-hand tab, you just need to fill out the cities that you want with whatever type of company you want, right? So you could put in like laundromat Beaumont, Texas, laundromat Miami, Florida. You could put in, like car dealership in New York. Whatever you want. You can type it in here, and it will scrape all the searches for you and put them onto this other side here. All right. Just for the purpose of the video, maybe let's do the car dealership one. Let's come up here. To car dealership New York, and I'm just gonna delete all these just so I can have a clean slate. Okay, so first thing you're gonna have to do is I'll give you the download file for this N8N workflow. You're gonna have to download it and upload it to N8N. After you've uploaded it, I'm just gonna come over here and click on this part right here, get rows and sheets. Make sure you connect up your Google account or whatever, and then you need to change the document. So I'll give you a version of this document, but you're gonna have to copy it. So just pick from the list. As long as you connected up your account, you should be able to find whatever it is you're looking for. Put it in there, put in the name. Okay. Right. And then the sheet should say from list, and then it should be list goes here. Right here. Then you can click out of this, and next thing you're going to do is you're going to sign up for Serper.dev. Okay, it's free to sign up, and they give you 2,500 credits for free, which is quite generous of them. Click on API keys and copy it. Okay, it's going to come in handy in a minute. Click on this HTTP request real quick. Oh, yep, there we go. Method should be post, URL should be like this. Send headers, turn this off, authentication none, using fields below. So this is where you're gonna basically paste in your API key, right? So just paste it in there. And then name should be content type, application/JSON for the value. And then you can leave the rest as is, okay? So click out of that real quick. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this one right here, append row and sheets. Credential to connect with, again, connect up with your Google Sheets account. Resource, sheet within document. Operation, this time it needs to be append row, okay? And again, same sheet, right? And then from list, you need to make sure it's on the do not edit one, okay? Then you're just gonna leave it as map each column manually. You can leave this alone. And one last thing you have to do is just put in whatever you want here. So if you want car dealerships in New York, or you want, I don't know, chiropractor in New Jersey, whatever you want to put in, you can put as many as you want here. I just put one as an example. You could put 100. You could put 100 here, and it won't be no problem. So do as many as you want. It's not going to cause any issue. But the more you do, the longer the scrape will take. Like on one, it might take a few seconds, but if you do like 100, it might take like a couple minutes. But either way, that's fine. So once all that's done, very simple. You just come over here and click execute workflow. And then you just watch it. Boom, there we go. Done in a few seconds. Now if I click on my sheet and I click on results, there we go. I have car dealership in Queens, New York, new and used dealership, New York and PA, I guess Pennsylvania, Bronx, New York, again, Toyota dealership, done, right? So you can do this for any kind of industry you want, any market, as long as you can find them on Google, you can do it. So what this does is it basically goes onto Google the same way you would just type in like car dealership New York, and it's basically going to extract all of these. So everything that comes up when you type in car dealership New York, it's going to grab every single one of them, but it's only going to grab 100 results. And the reason I capped it out at 100 is just because, after you get to like, the later pages, maybe they're not actually car dealerships and stuff like that. So 100 results is pretty good. So anyways, that's it. It's pretty cheap to run as well. All you have to really pay for is N8N and the Serper API. Yeah, you can get like 50,000 credits for like $50. It's very, very cheap. Like imagine you can get 50,000 leads for like $50 for your Serper, and then I think N8N is like $20 a month, $30 a month. So it's like nothing. But yeah, that's it. That's how it works. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me, ask me whatever you want. And if you didn't want to do it yourself, if you wanted me to just do it for you, that's fine too. Send me a message, and I'll tell you. We can come up with a price. I don't really have an idea in my mind, but yeah, if you don't want to do it yourself, you just want me to do it for you, let me know, and we can work something out. So, anyways, appreciate you guys. Hope you found it useful, and take care.